To install the acrylic board, you can install the screw with fingers. Unscrew the 4 screws. To install the roll film bracket, make sure you install it in correct direction. The side with the roller should face inwards. Fix the 2 screws for the bracket. Do the same for the other one. Roll film bracket installed. Take out the roll film and check the introduction. Remove the packaging. Loosen the screw on the roll film plugs. Fix the roll film plug on the rod. Fix the screws. Put the roll film on the bracket. The arrow on the film should toward the printer. Pass the rod through the roll film. Make sure the plug's fixed. Install the other side plug. Fix the screws. Fix the plugs. The roll film is ready. Put the roll film on the bracket. Loose the 2 screws on the front. Just loosen without removing the screws. Put on the tray and cutter. Remove the tape on the cutter. The arrow on the film should toward the printer. Put inside the printer. Feed the film with finger. Then press the feed button on the front. Move out the roll film. Installation finished for the roll film.